In today's pet preform production, especially for long preforms like 5-gallon products, mold life, production stability, energy cost, and investment efficiency are always your biggest concerns. That's why we design our machine with a direct clamping system to solve these pain points from the very beginning. As you can see in the video, the direct clamping system uses a high rigid direct lock structure. During the whole molding process, the moving platen runs steadily with almost no deformation. The parallelism between platens is always perfectly matched with your mold. This brings you the first important benefit. It effectively extends mold life and reduces your long-term cost. With even force distribution, your mold suffers less stress, less wear, and less damage. You spend much less on mold maintenance and replacement. The second benefit is lower energy consumption. Compared with traditional toggle structures, our direct clamping system delivers stable clamping force with higher efficiency. Working with a high-speed servo proportional valve, the machine responds fast and positions accurately. Every unit of energy is used effectively, helping you save a lot on electricity costs. The third key advantage is more consistent product quality and higher efficiency. High rigidity and precise clamping control ensure every preform has stable weight, size, and wall thickness. Meanwhile, the high-speed servo system shortens mold opening and closing time, so you get a shorter cycle and higher output. Contact Rigit at rigitmachinery.com or WhatsApp +8 613 7889 37026 for more details.